repotting right now. I cleaned the greenhouse, but I needed to repot some plants real quickly, so I just did these real quickly. These are super cute. My brother got a big box of mixed pots at a yard sale for $8. He got a bunch. These are my favorite though. They're short. I like how short they are, but wide at the same time. They're probably, I don't know, 3 to 4 inches wide. I'm not 100% sure. So super cute. I like them. I wish I can find more. It looks like they came from a craft store because the only label at the bottom is this. Crafts 39 cents, which is a good price. So it looks like they bought it in 1995. So yeah, I would like to find more of these because they are super cute and they make your plants look beautiful. So yeah, let me continue cleaning and then I'll show you guys where I'm at.